How to show all of your products in the home page in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can do this. Now, here's the thing. Before we get started, you can actually show up to 25 products at once, I believe. I may be mistaken. We will check together, but I believe it's going to be 25 max. I don't think you can actually do more than that unless we do it twice. So that could be a workaround, but it may not look very professional. But yeah, if you have less than that, then this should be no problem at all for you. So how do we achieve this? So basically, we want to showcase all of our store products in here. So to do so is very simple. You just want to go to the home page first for your Shopify admin. Click on products in here, and then we basically want to create a collection. A collection which is going to include every single product that we have. So just go to collections. And then from here, we just want to create collection from the top right. I'm just going to name it all products. Now, I need you to note that the name of the collection is going to be shown by default. So make sure you give it a proper name, not a random one. A description doesn't really make a difference, but if we just go to the collection type, here we just want to make it manual. This way we can just go ahead and select all of them. And then once you find yourself in the products section here, we can just go ahead and click on browse and select all of them. So just make sure you select all of them. If you have a lot of products, you just take your time to select all of them. And then just go ahead and click on add. Now, once you have it in here, there's a very important thing that you can actually do, which is the sorting. So you can actually go ahead and select the sorting and how it is actually going to be sorted. So for example, if you just leave it by default, it's going to be best selling, meaning the first one that is going to be shown is the product that is best selling. So a lot of people would actually have the sort as this way, but some people want the newer products, the collection, to be the ones that are shown. So there are going to be a lot of sort options. So just go and click on here, and you will find the different sort options that are going to be available. First one is going to be product title from A to Z, from Z to A, so if you want to flip it. And we also have the highest price, so if you wanted to show the most expensive ones at first, you can do so. Same goes for the other one, lowest price. And then we also have the newest, so meaning the product that has been most recently added. This is going to be the one that is shown first. So if you want to do that, so new arrivals are going to show first, completely up to you, or the oldest, which is the opposite. And then we also have manual. So if you wanted to click on manual, you will have the ability to basically change them accordingly to your liking. So we can just go ahead and change them around and flip the numbers. But first, we actually need to save it in order to do so. So let's just go and click on save. And now we can just basically change the manual sorting for us here. So I'm just going to leave it as best selling, to be honest. And we are pretty much good to go. So all we need to do now is just go back. And we just want to go to online store. Just make sure you remember the name for it, because it's very important. Just go to online store now. And just click on customize. Now, in the home page for Shopify, if you did not do anything with it before, you will have a featured collection option here, which is going to be available, and you can see it from the template section on the left panel here. You can feel free to remove it to follow me, but you can also replace the collection with the new one. Regardless, all we are going to be doing is click on add section, and then we just want to click on featured collection, which is the first one right here. So just go and click on that. And then from here, we can feel free to remove the heading for it. It doesn't really make a difference. But if you, what we want is actually replacing the actual collection with the proper collection that we just created. So just go ahead and click on it. And then just scroll down a little bit until you find this section, which is collection. Click on select collection. And then we would want to select the collection that we just created, which is this one in my case, and click on select. Now there are going to be a few options to choose from. First, like I said, if you wanted to hide the heading, you can feel free to do so. And then we can also go ahead and increase the number of products to show. So by default it's going to be 4. We can just make it up to 25 like I said. So here we can just pretty much save. If you want to change also the scheme for it, you can feel free to do so. But now this is what I was trying to say here. For example, if you want more than 25, I believe we can work our way around it. So we can just go ahead and remove the header, or let's just keep the first one. And then I believe if you just go ahead and create another collection from the homepage and name it something else and add the extra products that are above number 25, and just go ahead and add another future collection right below this one, like this, and we can just go in and remove the banner, or I mean the heading, and showcase more products like so, and select the collection for it. And let's just go in and match it with the other scheme. I believe this could be a workaround. So if you want to showcase more than 25, you can just create 2 different collections, 25 each, and just list them right beneath each other like this. So anyways, hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.